Good morning mga katiplog. Ito nga pala yung kaibigan, si Mr. Dudoy. Magbibigay sa inyo ng konting kaalaman about sa health. Babagi sa inyo na pagkong video about sa paglalakad. Hindi pa alam na marami tayong benefit yung mga kuha sa ating paglalakad. Kaya panoorin nyo ang video ito.
Do you know why walking is good for your heart? Because your heart's actually a muscle. And so what happens is when you're out walking, your heart rate goes up, or if you're jogging, and so that increased heart rate, it's exercising your heart muscle, and so your muscle gets stronger. And as your muscle gets stronger, it can contract harder. And as your heart contracts harder over time, what happens is your heart doesn't have to beat as fast because you're getting more blood out to your body with each contraction of your heart because it's a stronger muscle now. And so that's why people who run or walk a lot, their heart rates become low.